It's our last day in Koh Samui, so we're just walking into town, into Phuket, Fisherman's Village, just to have a look around, maybe get another sneaky Guinness in, get some lunch, get some fruit smoothies, and then I guess we've got a pack. And we're off to Phuket tomorrow. Split this G.
I can try and help you.
Right, ready? You tell me when to stop.
Okay. Stop.
Oh, that's like bang on. That is bang on. Gotta get the Insta out for this.
I might have helped Dad get the G.
A lot better than yesterday's Guinness. A lot better. And the view is awesome too. What is this crap doing in an Irish pub? Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy dog. Hey, puppy dog. I don't know. He wants to sit with us. Hello, puppy. Ziggy wants to keep the dog and take it home and call it Chicken Nugget.
What? Okay.
Got another one. I still got a pack too. It's gonna suck. Alright, let's try split the G again. Poppy and helping again. You see if it wasn't a fluke last time. Can you tell me when to stop?
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Stop.
Too much, I reckon. Way too much. Poppy's turn. You're gonna get to this G.
Tell me when to stop.
Pretty close. I'm turned off this place now. That old dog that was sitting with us, lady that works here, just came past, kicked it out, was trying to hit it to get out of here, forced it down these rickety old stairs, got it here, next to us, didn't do too well getting down the stairs, don't like that. I'll say.
I'm gonna adopt it now.
You wanna adopt it? Yeah, it's Chicken Nugget.
It's there.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I understand that this is their business. And they sell food and everything, but the way that she handled that wasn't good. Didn't like it. Chicken Nugget, we love you. We love you, Chicken Nugget. We miss you. I feel sorry for Chicken Nugget, so I'm going to go get Chicken Nugget a treat of some sort. I don't know what. I'll try to find something. We'll find Chicken Nugget something in here. I reckon Chicken Nugget would love this. No, it's spicy. Chicken Nugget doesn't like spicy. Pork burger. Done. 29 baht. Chicken nugget food, secured, heated up. What do I get? A pork burger. Looks delicious. Let's see if Chicken Nugget likes it. I really hope Chicken Nugget likes this because I had to walk a fair way to find somewhere that sold something for Chicken Nugget. So I hope he likes it. It actually doesn't smell too bad. I might actually eat it. We'll see. Alright, I'm back. We have some horrible news. We think we've lost Chicken Nugget. We've lost Chicken Nugget. Let's go try and find Chicken Nugget to give him some pork burger.
Where's Chicken Nugget gone?
I'm pretty sure Chicken Nugget went up there to that restaurant. Oh, we can see Chicken Nuggets in there. So he's resting. So we might find another Chicken Nugget to give for food too. We love you. We'll never forget you, Chicken Nugget.
Hopefully we see you when we go out.
Chicken Nugget, I love you.
Chicken Nugget, I love you! Thailand.
So we're just going to try and find another Chicken Nugget to give the burger to. Poppy, I can see a Chicken Nugget up there on the beach. We found another Chicken Nugget. Oh, that one's got a collar on. We found Chicken Nugget again. The original Chicken Nugget. We found it. Get it! Chicken Nugget. We love you so much, Chicken Nugget. Oh, Chicken Nugget, lucky. You're lucky. We almost gave this away. Poos, you want to give it to him? For some reason, the footage stopped when we were trying to feed Chicken Nugget. It didn't work. All that effort, it didn't even work on film. But yeah, we fed Chicken Nugget. Chicken Nugget's happy. We're gonna miss Chicken Nugget. We love Chicken Nugget. Say I love you, Chicken Nugget.
I love you, Chicken Nugget.
Bye, Chicken Nugget.